Okay, let's go ahead and do the swivel. Change it to millimeters. I'm going to do a sketch in the front plane. Again, this is a revolved part, so I'm going to run a center line straight up. Alright, so now I'm just going to take a line and do half of the part, basically the profile of the part. Okay, again, start your dimension from this line to the center line, but push it over. So that refers to the diameter of the part. So the base diameter of that is 19 millimeters. So this is the one we need. So we're going to go here. That's 3.2. Our overall height is 9.5. And then one last dimension that we need is the diameter of this guy. So from here to here, that is 9.5 also. Okay, so go into features, revolve boss base, just say yes, it'll close it out and accept. And again, I'm expecting your guys' skills and ability. You should be able to do the counter bore that's through there. That counter bore that's 9.5 millimeters at a depth of 3.2, and then the through hole is 6.35. All right. Thanks for watching.